Uh, Continuing with the previous video, the question appears in 2024. Question number 1, define probability. Illustrate the relationship between sample space, events, and probability. Okay, we'll define the probability. Then illustrate the relationship between sample space. Here also, there are two parts. Okay, answer will have two parts. The first part is a branch of mathematics which deals with calculating the likelihood of a given event's occurrence, which is expressed as a number between 0 and 1. And the outcome of a random event cannot be predetermined before it occurs, but it is any one of the all possible outcomes. Example for this, throwing a dice. So outcome, okay, it is possible outcomes are 1 to 6 and occurrence of any one number. So it is a random in nature. And probability of an event occur can be defined as what is the probability? For example, what is the probability of head occurrence when we throw a single dice? It defined as the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the total number of outcomes n of an event. That is the ratio m by n. Next, this is the one diagram here. This is the sample space and happened. Then these are all the events going to be occurred, and this is the for each event the probability is assigned. That assigned probability is between 0 and 1. So now, what is the sample space and what do you mean by events and what is the probability? So how it is related? It is an entire sample space of that experiment. For example, throwing a dice. Okay, throwing a dice. This is a sample. Okay, this is a sample space. Yes, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like. Yes, 1, yes, 2, so like that. Okay, yes, 1. And events, A is an event, B is an event, C is an event. Within this sample space, an events are defined. For example, an event A can be defined for this experiment as the possible outcome of any number between 1 to 6. So that. So in that way, I can define an event A. Then what is the probability of that event? It is a 1 by 6. Similarly, event B can be defined for the experiment as the possible outcome of any odd number between 1 to 6. Add 1 or 3 or 5 like that. This is all possibility. So this is defined as an event B. Then again, that an event, okay, any possible outcome of any odd number is 1 here, 3 here, 5 here. Then what will be the probability? It is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. So like that. That is 1 by 2. Similarly, another event, that is C, experiment as the possible outcome of any even number which is greater than 1 and between 1 to 6. Here, okay, greater than 1, even numbers are 3 and 5 only. So like that, I can define, and its probability is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. That is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So that will be the overall probability.